Hello, this is Dr. Amrita Chakravarti and I'm a hematologist at Max Hospital Shalimar Bagh. I see all kinds of blood disorders, cancerous and non-cancerous blood disorders, including bleeding and clotting disorders as well.
So one thing which we are commonly asked is how to care for a patient while on chemotherapy. Now we must understand that chemotherapy will bring down a patient's immunity. It helps to destroy cancerous cells. However, chemotherapy will also kill normal cells in the body. So this will cause a reduction in the TLC count or platelet or hemoglobin. So the blood cell count is going to be going down when somebody is receiving chemotherapy. This may cause anemia or thrombocytopenia, and the patient may require transfusions, blood transfusion, platelet transfusions. Similarly, because of low TLC, there is an increased risk of infections. So we need to be very careful while giving chemotherapy to maintain hygiene so that the risk of infection is lowered. So we usually advise for mouth washes, which helps to keep our mouth clean, and seize baths, which help to keep our rectal or anal area clean. Besides that, routine hygiene is extremely important. Also, the food that a patient is eating while on chemotherapy has to be neutropenic, by which I mean a neutropenic diet, by which I mean we usually generally avoid raw vegetables. We request the patient not to take raw food, including raw vegetables, or even peel off fruits before eating them, because food can be a very, very important source of infection. So we have to do everything which is in our power to reduce the risk of infections, starting from caring for the line that is there in the patient. Sometimes we put a line which is there, which helps to facilitate chemotherapies and sampling. The line remains in the patient, so we have to care for the line, because the lines, our intravenous lines, are the main sources of infection. Along with that, the food has to be clean, no raw food, no raw vegetables. We generally ask the patient not to keep any plants or any flowers within their room, because that can be a source of fungal infections. Also, it is important to come regularly for the chemotherapy cycles as advised, as per date, so that the treatment is effective. And also, the patient may require transfusion support in between chemotherapies, because one of the side effects of chemotherapies again is decrease in the counts. Another important thing to consider is cancer patients or patients receiving chemotherapy are at a very high risk of developing blood clots within their body, because they are very thrombogenic. So it is important to maintain mobility, to drink plenty of fluids, and to maintain a very healthy lifestyle to prevent blood clots as a result of cancer.